How to change country on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to change country on Instagram, it is essential for you to have a professional account. So if you are not using a professional account yet, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the For Professionals tab and then tap on the Business Tools and Controls option you see there. Further, you will see the option for Switch to Professional Account. So tap on that and then go ahead and follow the prompts in order to switch to professional account. And while switching to professional account, make sure to add your business address too. Finally, tap on next, and with this, your professional account will be all set. Now, in order to change the country, tap on the edit profile option you see there and then tap on the contact options you see there. Further, you will see the option to change your location. So tap on the location that you are currently set to and then go ahead and type in the address that you want to change your location to. Once typed, tap on the Done option on the top right of your screen, and in order to save the changes, tap on the Save option on the top right of your screen, and with this, your profile information will be updated. So, this is how you can change country on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.